Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I was just coming in to show you my little seafood boil. Well, I made corn and potatoes. I'm actually boiling a couple more potatoes for myself. And shrimp. Sausage and crab. And of course, an egg. Yes. So what I did was I cut up onion and butter, and I sauteed the onion and the butter, and then I put the crawfish, shrimp, and boil seasoning in there. And then I put the Louisiana crawfish, shrimp, and boil inside. Don't know if I said it, but yes, I put water in there. And then I also used this Italian herb garlic. And I used regular garlic. And I did a little seasoning, salt and pepper. And definitely the Old Bay. And this is what I came up with, because you know how I love my crabs. I was thinking about doing a mukbang, but no, I just decided to come and show you guys. So the crab that I used today isn't really that big, because I just felt like the sausage and the shrimp and all that, and I just made me 2 more potatoes. That's actually enough. Only 1 corn. But this is my dinner, guys. It's Pretty Chocolate Girl. Bye.